Welcome to the fourth annual Tableau Fringe Festival North America. There's some amazing talent in the Tableau community. However, not everyone gets chosen to speak or can attend the Tableau conference. And that's why I started TFF in 2015 in the US. And since that time, TFF has grown. We've expanded to the Asia Pacific region, to the Europe, Middle Eastern, Africa region, and earlier this year, we expanded to LATAM. But we bring it back home to North America. I started TFF to provide the Tableau community with a platform to share their message in such a way that it's welcoming, either for the first time or the seasoned speaker. I love that it's community-based, from the volunteers who organize and run the events to the speakers. We are truly living our motto, from the community, for the community. I am extremely thankful to our amazing lineup of speakers today. I mean, wow. They are just amazing. I am blown away by the talent we have been able to garner. And I'm thankful for you, watching live or on the replay. It's a great way to keep those conference vibes going. Our community is ubiquitous. And because of that, I want to encourage those who are tuning in live to connect with other Tableau community members in the chat window. Ask questions of our presenters in the Q&A box. And connect. That's the biggest thing, connect. And for those who are watching on the replay on YouTube, please connect with us over Twitter using the hashtag TFF North Am. Share your experiences about TFF and share your experiences about what you've heard today from the presenters, so they know how much you appreciate their hard work and contribution. Those rich connections can lead to some really amazing things. Before we begin, I want to thank our team, Cesar Pico and Alexander Walczak, and our sponsor, Playfair Data, for their support. Now, without further ado, it is my pleasure to introduce somebody who is super duper excited about Tableau, Mark Bradbourne. Mark is the co-lead of the Cleveland Tug. He's a Tableau social ambassador and the Tableau evangelist at KeyBank. So I am really excited to have Mark join us today. So without further ado, Mark, I'll pass it over to you.